What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Robinhood, an innovative investment platform that empowers millions with easy access to financial markets. In this video, we are going to discuss its features, some drawbacks, and its benefits. Let's start with its features. Robinhood's commission-free trading model is a significant advantage for investors, especially those who engage in frequent trading. By eliminating fees typically associated with buying and selling stocks, users can use on costs and potentially increase their returns over time. The inclusion of cryptocurrencies on Robinhood's platform opens up new investment opportunities for users interested in digital assets. With real-time pricing data and secure storage options, investors can easily diversify their portfolios with popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Robinhood's offering of individual retirement accounts provides users with a convenient way to save for retirement while enjoying low minimum deposits and no account maintenance fees. This feature caters to long-term investors looking to build wealth for their future. The ability to trade options on Robinhood allows users to explore more advanced investing strategies beyond traditional stock trading. By offering call and put options on a variety of stocks, the platform empowers investors to manage risk and potentially enhance their returns. The Robinhood Cash Management Card serves as a versatile financial tool that combines the convenience of a debit card with the benefits of a checking account. Users can earn cashback rewards, access their paychecks early, and enjoy ATM fee reimbursements, all while seamlessly integrating with their investment activities. However, just like any other platform, Robinhood also has its own drawbacks. While Robinhood provides educational content to help users make informed investment decisions, some investors may find the lack of advanced research tools limiting compared to other platforms. For example, Robinhood does not offer access to third-party research reports or advanced charting tools that some investors may prefer. Some users have reported difficulties reaching customer support representatives promptly, which could be frustrating during times of market volatility or technical issues. While Robinhood has made efforts to improve its customer service, some users may still experience delays or difficulty getting their questions answered. More experienced traders might miss certain order types found on other platforms, such as limit orders, stop-loss orders, and trailing stops. These advanced order types can help investors manage risk and potentially enhance their returns, but they are not currently available on Robinhood. Ultimately, whether Robinhood is suitable for you depends on your specific needs and goals as an investor. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of this platform, you can make informed decisions about your future investments. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.